Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and for today me are gonna make some peanut punch with okra and oats. So follow me panda one, yeah. So guys, over here I have all of my ingredients. You see that one, yeah, guys? Of the hard working people. Or this is a meal by itself. You don't need any food. And whichever way you want to spin it, put whatever ingredients in it, you're welcome. But for me, this is what I'm using. So guys, over here I have my pot and my stove, and I turn it on. So I'm going to boil the okra for a little bit, and then I'm going to add spices to build the flavor. So watch me now. I have some supper gen right here. I have the peanut one, condensed milk. I have some cinnamon stick, vanilla. I have the peanut, and I have the oats, the okra, some salt, nutmeg, some mixed spice. Can't go wrong pan that. And you know we have our cinnamon leaf. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead add in one cinnamon stick, cause you know your girl already love build flavors from early. And I'm going to add in this and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add in the okra with the mixed spice later. So don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm going to add in my okra. I'm going to cook these until they're tender with a little salt and some mixed spice. I don't want the okra to be too mushy, so I'm not going to cook them for too long. Just a couple more minutes. So guys, as you can see, my okra is cooked. I don't want it any softer than this. I'm going to turn my stove off and allow it to cool. And the next time you see me, I will be blending all of my ingredients. So guys, now that my water is cool, the okra water is cool, I'm going to add my oats and start the process of blending. Add my peanuts, wash and clean. This is for my hard-working people. Oh God. So now this is the okra water. Oh boy, it's so thick. So guys, I'm going to blend up this first. I'm going to add some nutmeg to this as well. And a little bit more mixed spice. Vanilla. Almond vanilla. Punch with okra and what's bad. You can't go wrong with one banana. Guys, just try it. You see the big difference. But I'll advise you, don't put too much banana, then it will taste like banana and not like the punch. So one banana is good. Little bit more mixed spice. Now I'm gonna add my condensed milk, half of it. Nice liquor blend. Bad, me I tell you. So guys, my punch is finished. So next time you see me, we'll be drinking this punch together. Check my videos. Come with me. We show you the good old punch. You see where I go on right here, so? From you see this, you know so the thing tastes good. Not only just look good, but it tastes good. But me I got taste if you me I still. As me promise you know. Now is the proof is in this sponge. Guys, these are three main ingredients that is in there. The okra and the peanut and the oats. So whichever way you want spin your Tony, call it whatever you want. But please try it. The banana make a big difference. Put whatever you choose. But for me, I use what I have. Now, a time for taste this, yeah.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Guys, just crush up a cup of peanut on the top. Send it gone over the edge. We over there. This is mouth watering. Really delicious. This you don't need no food with it. So guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this channel. Comment on the videos and like the video and continue to share and tell a friend to tell a friend. And big up yourself, Vince Block, aka Damien. Big up yourself, how we read all of my comment section. Everybody will support me. A big up to you. And we on our way to 500 subscribers. I could never in a million years done this without you guys. So thank you very much. Stay blessed. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend fi tell a friend. Remember, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.